There's been quite a lot of dramatic developments to do with the municipal elections. There was an attempt to push out the election from 27th of October, when it should be held, and to March next year. What was the rationale behind that, and why did that fail?
Well, let me tell you how I see it, and I analyze situations, I watch them very closely, and then I draw my conclusions. So this is the way I and the DA see it. The ANC was not ready for an election now. It is bankrupt. Its staff are in revolt. It has had a terrible year politically. It is deeply divided, and it hadn't recruited through any kind of process. So the ANC desperately needed the election to be postponed till next year. They went through a bit of a charade of a process, etc., and that culminated in the IEC applying to the Constitutional Court to declare that we couldn't hold a free and fair election at this stage because of COVID. Now, of course, earlier in the year, the IEC had said they're absolutely ready to hold the election under COVID conditions. They've been preparing for a long time, and they are ready. But because they knew that they couldn't get the constitutional process, which is through Parliament, the IEC tried to get around that constraint by going to the Constitutional Court and having the election delayed till next year to suit the ANC. Of that, I have absolutely no doubt, and I'm sure no observer would have any doubt. The Constitutional Court heard it and said, you can't delay the election by 6 months, but the outside limit to which you can delay it is 5 days. Now, in between all of that and in between all of the applications, the ANC missed the deadline for submitting their candidates on the 23rd of August. And so the minute the Constitutional Court said you can delay the election for 5 days from the 27th of October to the 1st of November, voila. The IEC and the ANC had the gap that the ANC so desperately needed, at least to register their candidates. And the IEC said, well, this new date means that we have to have a new proclamation, that we have to issue a new timetable, and so that there will be a new deadline. And of course, that's irrelevant to everybody else who made the first deadline, but it's very relevant to the ANC. Now, you will remember that before, when the NFP and the IFP missed deadlines, they were excluded from the election. So it seems to me that there are some rules that apply to everybody except the ANC. And the ANC is always granted exemption if they mess up and don't play by the same rules that everybody else is required to play by.